Okay, so here we have chapter 13 of the same said text. And this is now where Mr. Rochester and Jane Eyre are beginning to acquaint themselves with each other. Okay, so let's look at the way the writer has used language in this text. Okay, so once again we've got the imagery of mystery. We've got two wax candles. So the idea of light and dark is once again being perpetuated here. I'm just going to highlight that. Yep, the idea of light. Basking in the light and heat of the superb fire. The light and heat possibly being foreshadowing of heat and fire of passion and love. That's going to come later on for this couple. Okay, so on a couch appeared Mr. Rochester. She refers to him first as Mr. Rochester, showing the formality that she sees him in and the distance between the two of these people in terms of their relationship. He was looking at Adele and the dog. The fire shone full on his face. We see the repetition of this word fire, once again, underlying the idea of passion. And then the tone changes slightly when she begins to address him as my traveller. The possessive noun my is being used here, so it suggests some affection for this character. And then we go into, once again, the descriptions. And what's really interesting and poignant here is the way the writers use adjectives. Broad, jetty eyebrows, square forehead, made squarer by the horizontal sweep of black hair. Yeah? Horizontal sweep. These aren't particularly attractive descriptions, yet nevertheless they make the character stand out in a powerful way. I recognize his decisive nose, more remarkable for character than beauty. His full nostrils, denoting, I thought, choler. Once again, we've got an old language here, archaic language, which means unhappiness. Synonym being used here again, which is grim, to once again show his unhappiness. Yes, all three were very grim, so repetition of the word grim to show once again how unhappy this character is looking at the moment. Make no mistake, his shape, neither vested of cloak, I perceived harmonized in squareness with his physiognomy. So now the word square, or anything to do with squareness, has been emphasized 3 times, like a triplet, to show us perhaps that this is somebody who's got a very unique physical characteristics, and the use of the word physiognomy, facial expression, foregrounds this. I suppose it was good figure in the athletic sense of the term. So we've got the adjectives here, good and athletic. And it sounds almost like she's trying to justify the reason why she's possibly finding this strange-looking man rather attractive at this point. Broad-chested and thin-flanked, neither tall nor graceful. So we have some interesting describing words here to cement in our minds the image of Mr. Rochester. None of these images being particularly attractive or handsome in any way, yet poignant, precisely because of the fact that they're unique and show that this character, Jane Eyre, is becoming attracted to this character and his unique physical characteristics.